Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to upload music to Amazon Music. This is a fantastic way to centralize your music collection and access your personal tracks alongside your Amazon Music library, all in one convenient place. Let's dive right in and get your music uploaded. First, open your Amazon Music app on your computer or laptop and log in. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Amazon Music home screen where you can start managing your music library. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the configuration options where you can customize how Amazon Music works for you. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the option that says automatically import music from. This is the key feature that allows Amazon Music to pull in your personal music files from your computer. Click on it to proceed. You'll now see an option to select folder. Click on this button to begin choosing where your music files are stored on your computer. A file browser window will pop up, giving you access to all the folders on your system. Navigate through your files and locate the folder that contains your music files. This could be your downloads folder, a dedicated music library, or any custom location where you've stored your audio tracks. Once you've found the right folder, click on it to highlight it, then click Select Folder to confirm your choice. This tells Amazon Music exactly where to look for your music. After you've selected the folder, Amazon Music will begin scanning and importing the files into your library. This process might take a few moments depending on how many songs you have, so just sit tight while the app does its work. You'll see progress indicators as the files are being processed and added to your collection. Now that your music has been imported, it's time to access it. Click on Library in the top menu bar. This will open up your personal music collection within Amazon Music. From the library view, select music to narrow down what you're looking at. Next, click on Songs to display all your individual tracks. Now, to specifically view the music you just uploaded, click on Locations and then select Offline. This filters your library to show only the files you've imported from your computer rather than streamed content. And there you have it. Your personal music files are now uploaded and accessible through Amazon Music. You can now enjoy your entire collection in one place, making it easier than ever to manage and listen to your favorite tracks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.